Are you up to speed with the imminent changes to Google Business profiles? If the answer is no, don't worry, you're in the right place. As of March 10, 2024, Google Business profiles will cease using the business site feature for companies without a website. This could potentially result in a significant drop in click-through rates from your Google Business profile, making it harder for clients to verify your business. In this day and age, lacking a website could potentially harm your business's credibility. But don't fret, there's a free alternative. You can replace the soon-to-be defunct business site Google website with a Google Blogger URL. This can serve as a landing page for your Google Business profile. Creating a new Google Blogger website is a straightforward process. All you need is a Google account, unique content that isn't plagiarized or already available online, and a selection of images related to your business. A pro tip for boosting your SEO: rename your image files on your hard drive to include your brand name, 2 to 4 services or product ranges, and your business's local geographic area. This small tweak can make a world of difference in driving organic traffic to your site. Google has been making strides in understanding and utilizing data within images, including titles and geolocation. This means they're looking beyond just file names and alt text to truly comprehend the content of your image. The result? More relevant image searches for users, leading to increased engagement and traffic for your content. But the focus on metadata isn't confined to images alone. Google's also delving deeper into the information embedded in audio and video files. For instance, ID3 tags in MP3 files containing artist and track details are now playing a larger role in organizing your music for search engines. Similarly, Google's exploration into MP4 metadata means that titles, creators, and other details will be used to better understand your videos, making them more discoverable. In summary, the key points to remember are the discontinuation of the business site feature in Google Business profiles, the alternative of using a Google Blogger URL as a landing page, the importance of unique content, the power of image metadata for SEO, and the increasing role of metadata in audio and video files. By staying informed and making these strategic moves, you can ensure your business continues to thrive in the digital landscape. Don't let the changes intimidate you. Instead, see them as an opportunity to adapt, evolve, and stay ahead of the curve.